They do have an EV charger, $199 on clearance. So these are the new capacity $12 Milwaukee tumblers. We got some new Milwaukee workwear, 2 different stores we went to, and then we got some clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. All right, let's go ahead and start. So $14.97 for this 500 lumen dual power rechargeable lights. So these are able to charge them via USB. It does come with the cable. It is rechargeable, focusing flashlight, 6 months, 500 lumen, lifetime warranty. So they do come with batteries. And on high it's 500, medium is 250, low is 100. Alright, on this one is on clearance. This is a 600 CFM, 155 miles per hour blower, 154 down from 219. You got this 8 amp hour battery. This is a 40 volts XGT Makita, 273. So not bad. Pretty good on the clearance on these batteries, especially if you have the tools. You got the Joby expanded pruner attachment, $85. That's it right there. It's just an attachment. And I guess some of them are compatible with other brands. You got a chainsaw, 10-inch 110 on clearance. So if you guys need a chainsaw now that the winter is around, it's already here basically. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy that starter kit, get a free pruner or shears. And then you got $349 for the 2 batteries and the dual port charger, dual bay charger. $399 for the battery string trimmer. This is the fuel. It is 17-inch, 2 batteries and a charger. $320 on clearance for ethanol, 2-cycle oil. So be on the lookout because they are gonna, put some new stuff in and old stuff out. So $450 on clearance, down from $499 for that blower. You got another chainsaw here. This is a 40 volt chainsaw, 190. This one's down from $379. Alright, further right, we do have this on the clearance section. This is a scraper. You could use this for multiple different things. $34.98. It's on clearance, heavy duty. And then you got the duster. They got this on sale, $12.98. A pack of 2. I use this a lot, by the way, cleaning the tools and dusting the tools and stuff like that. And then for the garage, they got this $49.98. And then $9.94. So guys, if you guys have a light bulb in the garage, a regular socket, then put one of these in there. Do yourself a favor. You're going to see a lot more with these. These are a lot more powerful than just traditional lights. Alright, so $20.97 for the Wago. These are the, for you electricians out there or DIYs, these are great connectors. Alright, on the pack out section, this is the wall mounting brackets that they have. They got a nice cabinet there with the door, and this is compatible with the pack out, so you're able to take this with you in the pack out dolly. And then you got some more accessories there, and the plate on the back. And this is the power tool holder, and then you got some battery holders there on the left, and some smaller brackets. Alright, so the big bracket is $39.98. That is for the bigger one. 30.75 inches. And then $139 for the box or the cabinet. It is lockable. And then you got the smaller one for $19.98. So, and the magnetic trays, $14.98 and $9.98 for the smaller one. So pretty nice. Very, very nice to have this on the, especially if you have an enclosed trailer or if you have a garage. Alright, always save your knees, guys. Make sure you guys use these. These are really, really good on your knees. $14.88. Even if you're younger, you want to save your knees because when you get older, they're going to start hurting. Alright, they got batteries, $17.87 down from $19.87. Nice pack of Duracell, double A's for the flashlights. All sorts of gadgets in the garage. $5.98 for the braid rope. Different colors. Pretty nice for emergencies and camping and stuff. $24.97 for the any of these. You got a tape measure wide blade, 25 footer. And then you got the 7-in-1s, easier cuts. pretty nice for your electricians. And then you got a nice hammer, a 19-ounce hammer. All right, this one's on clearance. Another clearance section, $159 for this compressor. This one's a Husky 80-gallon compressor. And guys, I understand that you guys don't see these in every store, but sometimes you do see them, and you can compare prices, see if it's cheaper, see if it's more expensive. You can always compare it. You have this video to compare it with, or you can show them this video to see if you can get that same amount of discounts. All right, so $13.97 for this Diablo 6-inch stick fast sanding discs. And then you got this Husky garage flooring, $51.98. Of course, there's only a few left. All right, so this one's a tile cutter. It's on clearance. This one's a 26-inch max, $97. All right, you got the pass load pneumatic finish nailer. This is 16 gauge. So this one's $189. It does come with a really nice case, hard case. So you guys do see right there, 16 gauge, straight finish nailer. All right, this one's on clearance as well, $349 for the rear handle, and then $179 for the battery. Guys, I've seen a lot of stores have these even lower, so make sure you guys keep an eye out on that one. This one's on clearance for $98. If you guys need a quick gift or for somebody getting their first pair of tools or drills, whatever. So $49 for that inverter, and then $199 on clearance for this circular saw. $80 for this starter kit with the power stack. Regular price $169. Not bad. $100 down from $199 for this high performance starter kit from the Joby. And then you got this sprayer for $49.97 that nobody wants, because we had I believe a few years back we had a whole bunch of those, for free on that. What is it? Direct Tools. All right, so $279 down from $329 for this 16-inch chainsaw. That's actually a pretty good deal on this chainsaw. That is the chainsaw there at the bottom. You got the blower there. All right, so buy one get one free. You buy the starter kit, get a free light. Of course, these lights are really nice, really powerful. Milwaukee's obviously makes pretty solid lights, so any of those will be nice lights, especially those rover lights there, as you guys will see. All right, so same thing with the stapler, $229, and then you get a free cable stapler, $16.98. And then buy one get one free on those. You get a free tool. Those are all qualified with the purchase of that starter kit for $229. Impact driver and drill driver. And this is the lower kit. This is the lower end kit, $129. 2-pack of batteries, get you a free tool. These are all the tools that are available with this. I know a lot of stores are having a big discount on these. I believe I've seen them for like $99. And other stores I've seen the other one for like $129 or something like that. So make sure you guys keep an eye on those. You got the nailers from the DeWalt's, $379 for the framing. You got a 21 degree and a 30 degree. You got these all come with batteries, especially the bottom ones. All right, so that is a framing nailer there, $379. XR. It says tool only for that one. All right, so they've got a nice adjust height work surface or work table, $279. That's pretty nice. You can raise it up and down. Then you got a 6-drawer mechanics tool cart for 31 inches. It's actually pretty nice, pretty premium. It is on the matte black finish. You got some grommets there on the back. Nice drawers. Deep drawers there at the bottom for the power tools. And then, of course, you got the power tool holder there, and you got a strip with some USB and then some more. All right, so $398 for the 46-inch 9-drawer, black from Husky, solid wood top. Pretty nice. Took a gloss black. Nice deep drawers at the bottom, and then you got the handle there and the power strip there at the bottom. Pretty easy to. All right, so this one's $398 for the 12-drawer combo. This one does come in blue, and you got the grommets there on the back, on both sides. And then you got the power strip with the USB. That's pretty nice. And then you got the self-closing drawers, of course. And then you do have those are actually slim drawers, and the thicker ones at the bottom. But check this out. This one's the top of the line here, $9.98. This is actually a pretty good deal on this one for the matte black Huskies. All right, you got the USB. You got a nice grommets there on the back. You got a nice grill there, so you guys could hang up some more stuff. Self-closing drawers, really nice deep drawers on the top, because you want to stand up those sockets. Double bearing drawers. All right, so they got this solid wood top. It is adjustable on the top. You're able to raise it or lower it and store some stuff in there. And it is self-closing as well. This one's $12.98, 72-inch 18 drawer. All right, they got this one. This one's the big boy here with the hutch, $16.98. That's coming with 2 power strips, grommets, and the pegboard there on the back on that hutch. Stainless steel top. Pretty nice combo there. All right, so they got the top of the line. This is the $199 deal. Again, some of the stores do have this in stock and do have a cheaper price. Make sure you guys keep an eye out on that one. All right, this one's on clearance. This is the Keeper Chrome Hatchet or Ratchet tie downs. Just $21 down from $24.98. It's 1x14 feet. This was the $27 down from $31 for the Keeper. 3,333 pound capacity on these. These are pretty heavy duty, as you guys do see. Pretty thick ones. There's a lot on clearance, guys. A lot of different colors and sizes and all kinds. 500 pound capacity, $12 down from $14.98. So that's pretty nice on these. These are 12 footers, 2-pack camel. And then you got the 16 footers. This was 1,000 pound rated, $21. On Milwaukee tumblers. I personally use this pretty much every day. I use the bigger tumbler. Yeah, pretty much use it for coffee or cold drinks. Whatever you have, I always use it. So this one's $198 for this scroll saw. And then you got this sander. I personally do have that belt sander. It works great. I have the older version. $179. This actually, I don't know if they're lowering the price or raising the price. You never know with Milwaukee. Especially when they're going to have a sale, they raise the price and then they lower it, so it makes it look like you're having a great deal. That's what they always do. Even Amazon does that on the Prime Day. All right, if you guys didn't know, they do have an EV charger for the DeWalt's. So they do have one of these, and it is available at the stores. All you have to do, if you don't see this, then you can go buy it online. This one's 48 amps. This one's $5.99. So if you guys have an EV, electric vehicle, then there you go. You got different sizes on that one. Guys, this reciprocating saw is on clearance. This is a killer deal on this one. $130 down from $259 for the reciprocating saw. It's the Flexport. All right, so these are the new work skin for the winter. $44.97 for the base layer neck. And then you got some base layer pants. And $14.97 for the goat skin gloves. So pretty nice. And they did drop on the 16th down to the 20 next year, basically. So you got the work skin there, XL. They do come in L and XL, medium size. It just depends on what you need. And then you got the work skin gloves there, pretty nice. They're cut level 2 or a cut level 3. So pretty nice. Save those knuckles and protect your hands at all times. You got $54.97 for the pullover hoodie. I personally do like this. $22.97 for the fleece beanie. Pretty nice. They do come with the red on the inside, and they do come in gray as well. So those are the jackets. Pretty nice hoodies. Definitely check them out. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. I do have some more stuff on clearance there. We're still waiting for those Black Friday deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.